So the theme of the office today is florals, and if Kriti thinks this is florals, I'm not too sure what she thinks about florals in general. So this is my table. I do not work here because it's too clean. I work there near Kriti, but this is also my spot, which means no one can sit here, otherwise I become Sheldon. Seher, aloha vibes. How are you? Good morning.
I'm great.
The three of us are
What are
the
you doing, Seher?
first ones in the office. Show us your eyeliner. Yes, I love it. The folks of Now&Me, and this is what we do in office. Who is it? Oh, hi, Bani. Hello, fellow founder. No paps, please. Hello, I'm coming into your office.
I'll give you better at this thing.
It's okay. How are you doing this morning?
Not that great. I spilled a little bit of my tea in the morning on me.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, all good.
All good.
Yeah.
Yes.
How are we doing today?
We are
like, yes. What are we doing?
yes. We are vlogging the entire day.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm here today in front of you to ask you both what is your routine for the day?
Firefighting.
Firefighting? No, not like the last time. That was too serious.
No, we don't take the word firefighting too lightly.
Too lightly anymore. Yeah, but what are your schedules for the day? Let's start with Bani.
I have schedule also.
I just have one thing on my mind. Getting more awesome people on the Now&Me team. Do you want to join? We have a fun culture here.
Hi. Hi. Excuse me. Hello.
No, please.
Mini team lunch happening in the meeting room. Hi, Manik. Oh, that's just sad. Kriti got me Rajma Chawal. The funniest thing is, most of the people on this table have Rajma Chawal today. Yes. Everyone except for you, Neha. Manik, what is the one skill that you have that none of us know about? Can you please do that again? Please, it's my job. It's priority right now. I have to film this. If I do not film this, I will lose my job, Manik.
Mummy, if you are seeing this, I am very sorry. I did not want to do this. This is just fun purposes. मैं अपने हाथों से and with my chest I can like make the sound of a horse's hooves.
Horse's hooves. Okay.
Yes, horse's hooves. So here I go. 3, 2.
Please continue. Why do you stop? Why the horsey stop?
Wait, when you edit this, you want Kate and Anthony from Bridgerton?
बोझा horse पे डाल देना पीछे.
Turn up, please. फिर से. Once more.
Also मैं अपने हाथों से और अपनी चेस्ट से घोड़े के पैरों के हाथ लगा.
It's a masterpiece.
3, 2, 4.
Manik, you're so talented. What do you do with all of this talent inside you?
Wasted. Wait for moments like this.
Just the tech guys doing their tech thing. You have to agree for this now. What are you up to? Would you like to tell us a bit about this?
Secret stuff.
Secret stuff, okay. But I love your setup. Those are all the things we did today. We forgot to shoot an outro again, so it's the next day. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.